Are you confused about whether to bulk up or tone up? The difference is more than just lifting weights. Toning up means reducing body fat and tightening muscles for a leaner appearance. Bulking up, on the other hand, focuses on increasing muscle mass and making muscles bigger. To tone up, follow a weightlifting program with manageable weights and higher repetitions, in the range of 8 to 12. If 12 reps is too easy, you can bump up to the next weight. A healthy diet slightly below your caloric maintenance level is key to achieving a toned look. Cardio exercises in your target heart zone will help burn more calories and tone muscles. Bulking up requires lifting heavier weights with fewer repetitions to achieve muscle overload. Consume more calories than your maintenance level and ensure enough protein intake to bulk up. Cardio has both pros and cons for bulking up, but its health benefits are undeniable. Whether you choose to bulk up or tone up, understanding the right exercise and diet is crucial.